Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up Nextdoor for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search bar simply type in Nextdoor. Tap on the first app and then hit install under the app. After that, you can head over to your app drawer and then simply search for the name of the app, that is Nextdoor. Open the app on your device, after which you must follow the on-screen steps and then hit get started. To get started, you'll be landing on the home page. You can tap on the three lines at the top left of your screen if you want to register and log in. You will have to enable your location, and then in the sign up, you'll have to enter your name, email address, and sign up, and then hit sign up to sign up for your account. If you already have an account, then you can simply open Nextdoor on your mobile device, head over to the three lines at the top left of your screen and then hit login. Here you can simply enter your email along with your password and then log into your account and then start browsing and using the app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.